Much mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity among gamers and typists for their precision and responsiveness. Digital meat thermometers have become indispensable tools for home cooks and grill masters. They deliver fast, accurate readings, helping you achieve perfectly cooked meals every time. In this guide, we evaluate
Bluetooth meat thermometer digital wireless smart digital meat thermometer for grilling barbecue. This Bluetooth digital meat thermometer is ideal for tech-savvy cooks who want freedom from hovering over the grill. With wireless connectivity and a companion app, you can monitor cooking progress remotely. It's equipped with multiple probes to track several dishes at once, perfect for large barbecues or roasts. The smart alerts notify you when your meat reaches the desired temperature. Reliable, accurate, and convenient. It brings modern technology to classic grilling.
List number 2. Professional Digital Meat Thermometer. Ultra-fast, 0.5-second instant read, NIST certified accurate to plus/minus 0.5 degrees, IP67 waterproof. For professional level precision, this professional digital meat thermometer stands out with its NIST certification and ultra-fast 0.5-second readings. It's highly accurate to within plus/minus 0.5 degrees, making it a trustworthy choice for chefs and serious cooks. The waterproof, rugged design ensures durability even in messy kitchen environments. Whether you're sous videing, roasting, or grilling, this thermometer provides elite-level accuracy and speed. Indispensable for perfectionists who demand flawless results every time. List number 3. ThermoPro TP16S Digital Meat Thermometer for cooking and grilling, BBQ food thermometer with backlight and kitchen timer. The ThermoPro TP16S offers for simplicity and reliability at an affordable price. It features a large backlit LCD screen, preset USDA recommended temperatures, and a built-in timer, making it ideal for beginner cooks and experienced chefs alike. The wired probe allows you to monitor your food without opening the oven or grill, ensuring consistent results. It's easy to set, easy to read, and a great all-around choice for home kitchens and outdoor BBQs. List 4. ThermoPro TP19 Waterproof Digital Meat Thermometer for grilling with ambidextrous backlit. The ThermoPro TP19 combines waterproof durability with ergonomic design. Its foldable probe provides instant and accurate readings, while the ambidextrous backlit display makes it easy to read from any angle, even in low light. Perfect for left and right-handed users, it's also IP67 waterproof and easy to clean. Whether grilling in the rain or baking indoors, the TP19 is a versatile and dependable thermometer for all kinds of cooking. List 9. ThermoPro TP03B Digital Meat Thermometer for cooking, instant read thermometer with backlight. The ThermoPro TP03B is a budget-friendly, no-nonsense instant read thermometer. Its backlit display and fast response time make it convenient for everyday use. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for grilling, baking, or even candy making. The foldable probe ensures safe storage and extends the thermometer's lifespan. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use thermometer that still delivers accurate results, the TP03B is a solid choice for casual cooks and busy kitchens alike.